In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build RAG agents with vector databases in n8n. We'll build this in two parts. First, an ingestion workflow that takes your documents, turns them into embeddings, and stores them in a vector database. Then a chat workflow that uses an AI agent to retrieve relevant snippets and answer questions. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, helps your model stay accurate by grounding responses in your own data. Start by setting up your vector database. You can use any supported option, like a hosted service or a self-managed instance. Create a collection or index and note its name and connection details. Keeping names consistent now will make wiring things up much easier later. Open n8n and create a new workflow. This first one is for ingestion. Add a trigger that fits how you want to load data. If you're experimenting, choose a manual trigger that runs when you click listen. If you want this to run on a cadence, add a schedule trigger so it picks up new files automatically. Add a document source node. You can read local files with read binary files or pull from a cloud source like Google Drive. Point it at a folder or a file pattern and make sure you have permissions to read the content you need. Connect a vector store node to your document source. This node is the bridge to your vector database. Select your database type and credentials, and set the target index or collection name you created earlier. Drag an embeddings OpenAI node into the embeddings input of the vector store. Choose an embeddings model suited for your content size and language. Smaller, cheaper models are fine for many use cases. Just be consistent between ingestion and retrieval. Drag a default data loader into the document input of the vector store. Configure chunk size and overlap so long documents are split into manageable, semantically meaningful parts. A little overlap helps preserve context across chunks. Click Execute node. n8n will load, split, embed, and store your documents. Check the vector store node output to confirm counts and that metadata like file paths or titles are saved. Create a second, separate workflow. This one will power your chat. Add an on-chat message receive trigger so each user message starts the flow. Connect an AI agent node directly to that trigger. In the model input, drag in a model OpenAI node such as GPT-4o and set your model and safety preferences. For tools, drag a vector store retriever into the AI agent's tools input. Point it at the same vector database and collection you used during ingestion. Tune the number of results to return, balancing recall and precision. Finally, test the system by typing a question into the n8n chat window. You should see the agent retrieve relevant passages and craft an answer grounded in your documents. If results look off, revisit chunk sizes, the embeddings model, or retriever settings, then run it again.